Welcome back, dear friends, to our channel. If you're here for the first time, be sure to subscribe for more intriguing videos about innovative technology and its impact on our lives. Today, we have a fascinating subject on our hands: the top 5 AI-powered tutors that are transforming the way we learn. Starting off at number 5, we have Squirrel AI. Don't let its simple interface fool you. Behind the scenes, this AI tutor is powered by the latest in machine learning algorithms, providing personalized, intuitive, and engaging learning experiences. Whether you're grappling with calculus or trying to decode Shakespeare, Squirrel AI is here to be your personal academic ally. Next, at number 4, we have Duolingo. This AI tutor focuses on language learning. From Spanish to Mandarin, Duolingo uses the power of AI to provide immersive language experiences. It adapts to your proficiency level, accent, and even speech speed, allowing you to master a new language in a comfortable and efficient way. On the third spot, we have Coursera. What sets Coursera apart is its commitment to vocational and technical education. It uses AI to simulate real-world problems, helping users gain practical skills from coding to carpentry. Coursera breaks down complex tasks into manageable steps, giving learners the confidence to tackle new challenges. Runner-up on our list is LinkedIn Learning. This AI tutor focuses on soft skills such as leadership, communication, and emotional intelligence. It uses advanced AI algorithms to assess your behavior and provide valuable feedback. Learning with LinkedIn Learning feels like having a personal mentor who supports you in becoming the best version of yourself. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is Knewton. This is more than just a tutor, it's a comprehensive learning companion. It offers assistance in a wide range of subjects, learns from your progress, and personalizes your learning path. With Knewton, learning becomes a journey tailored specifically for you. These AI-powered tutors are just the beginning, my friends. They are the harbingers of a future where personalized, accessible, and engaging education is the norm, not the exception. Remember, every day is a day to learn something new.